Here's what we're making. 1-inch 32 thread, 1-inch material 303, half-inch bore plus or minus a half. (2007) GT10 with a Haas control. Here we go. I'm going to run this dry. Drill. Oh boy, running it dry. Spacing 50 thousandths by 45. Turning the OD. Plunge in the back for a thread chamfer, release, threading tool, bore, turning tool, deburring the thread, cut-off tool, part checker should come up. There you go. There's your part. Bar puller. That's it.